how you get the Empowered Titan badge. And also, like, yeah, damage time, bone box, repaired, and all that empowered. Yeah. But that requires a game pass. I have a lot of stuff to, like, yeah. I have some stuff, like, yeah, I need a break. But, like, no, I chose the wrong map. What am I going to do? I need to change the map. No. No. Oh my gosh, man. Don't worry, I'll be going on the map again. Like, the map. Don't worry, I'll be on the right map this time. It's like all. I break to select classic or default. Okay. Let's do this. Jump. Boing. Wee. Wee. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I need to remember selected desert map. This way. First we want to be sawblade woman. Alright. Then we have to run. Okay. Also damage time boombox and just the boombox squad, like the boombox titans. You can lock it using that. You have to fight a boss and everything, and after you defeat the boss, you have 2 lives, by the way. If you die one time, you get another life. Okay, yeah. So when you start the fight, yeah, good titan. I recommend using Ultra Titan Sawblade Ultra version, by the way, which I'll be showing you how to get, and or something like Upgrade Titan Tesla Man. Okay, yes, enter here. Why is it not opening? There we go. Okay. Now you just have to run over here. Register. Just like ignore everything going. There's no use talking to them. This guy is so good. Anyway, you want to come over here. Take that back. Goodbye. Then you want key right here. In case the key magically disappears, the item is going to be inventory. Don't worry. So after this, let me just think again. Which one is it? Okay, we'll be going for this one over here. I think this one over here. I can't remember. It's been a long time since I did this. Okay. This. I know you'll be needing some stamina to go through. This will be for some. Get the item. No! This is the worst time, man. Why is my internet like this? Oh, okay, let's just restart that. Oh, I'm so sorry. Man, oh my gosh. But as you can see, through those steps, I'll be back in a moment. If I were to cut it till desert map. Smart. Here, yeah, that's the piece. I'll be watching my stomach. Annoying sound. Let's go inside here. Like we're to, because I'm a genius. And, it's annoying. Well, alright, sorry. Sorry. Wait. There's some- Oh, alarm! It was nothing. Okay. Whatever. Fine. Don't worry. Sorry, get the batteries and just take this.
Ignore him or something. You can look at all the. I'm just here to help you guys speedrun. Yeah. Over here is another battery. Yeah, you will need 5 batteries. There you go. Battery. Now you just need this one. Maybe some more. No, it should go up. Yeah, there we go. Sawblade. Now you'll be needing to go here. And here's where you can easily get the flat. This one. And this one. There. And this battery. Yeah. Alright, now you have all 5. You have to walk over to this guy. This guy is who you want to buy after. 17,000 points. I'm not even joking. If you have 10,000, I was recommend going for it. There you go. Now this guy is going to be hitting the deity. And that's all I have to say. Yeah. You should get the... I already have the badge, so it did show up for me. Hello, Tesla. I didn't even know he was there. After this guy, once you have done it, he will say this. Yeah? There we go. Also, don't mind this song. Anyway, bye. That's all. Bye.